guys, I'm back. I look horrible right now. There's no school today, so that's why I'm posting on a weekday, because there is no school finally. But anyways, today I'm gonna be recreating Chewy's makeup from Twice. I'm a huge Twice fan. If you didn't know, I love Twice. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first we're gonna start with some foundation. My foundation's a bit messed up. Okay, next I'm gonna add a little concealer. I don't know why it's so dark here with the light, but yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. She had a very like bronzy look. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, I feel like I added too much blush. But next I'm gonna add some powder because my face gets greasy. Okay, for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this like light brown color. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this shade for a little bit of shimmer. And next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'm gonna do it off camera because eyeliner can be tricky. Okay, this eyeliner is a little shaky. But next I'm gonna add some mascara since I don't have lashes. And next I'm gonna take this eyeliner and glow my face. Okay, next I'm gonna add some little lip liner. And next I'm gonna add a little bit of this lipstick. Okay, I added some extra concealer because my face has a lot of dark spots. Setting spray, trust the process. Okay guys, this is the look. Pretty simple. I know it looks nothing like hers, but I try my best with this look. I'm in the bathroom right now. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. We're getting close to 1K subscribers and keep up for more.